Welcome, my friend. Today, we are going to explore a truth that many people feel, but very few talk about openly. Have you ever worked hard in silence while nobody noticed? Have you ever felt ignored, doubted, or even laughed at? Why do people suddenly care only after someone becomes successful? Stay with me, because this story will reveal something powerful. It may change the way you see struggle, success, and yourself. In a small town surrounded by dusty roads and quiet mornings, there was a simple workshop near the railway station. The workshop was old, with cracked walls and a faded blue door that made a creaking sound whenever it opened. Inside, tools were neatly arranged on a wooden table. Every day before sunrise, the light inside that workshop turned on while the rest of the town was still asleep. For years, the workshop owner worked alone. The sound of hammering and polishing filled the early hours. Neighbors passed by without paying attention. Some people even smiled in a mocking way. They said the work was pointless. They said nothing big ever came from that town. The workshop looked ordinary, and so did the effort inside it. The town itself was not a place of big dreams. Most people followed the same routine every day. They woke up, went to work, returned home, and repeated the cycle. Anyone who tried something different was often questioned. Why take the risk, they would ask. Why not be satisfied with what you have? Safety was more respected than ambition. In that workshop, however, something unusual was happening. Every piece of wood was carefully shaped. Every design was adjusted again and again until it looked perfect. Sometimes mistakes happened. Sometimes entire pieces had to be thrown away. But the next morning, the light still turned on before sunrise. There were days when money was short. There were days when doubt felt heavier than the tools on the table. It would have been easy to quit. It would have been easy to close the door and choose a safer path. After all, nobody seemed to care. Nobody was watching. Nobody was cheering. Years passed quietly. The town grew slowly, but the workshop remained small. People continued to ignore it. Some even called it a waste of time. The work was slow, careful, and almost invisible. It did not look impressive from the outside. It did not bring instant results. Then, one afternoon, something unexpected happened. A visitor from another city stopped by. The visitor had heard about unique handcrafted designs and wanted to see them. The visitor looked carefully at the work inside the workshop. The details, the patience, the quality, they were different from anything else. A small order was placed. It was not a huge opportunity, but it was something. The work was completed with the same discipline as always. No shortcuts were taken. No corners were cut. When the finished piece was delivered, the reaction was stronger than expected. Soon, another order came. Then another. Slowly, word began to spread beyond the small town. What had been ignored for years started to gain attention. The same neighbors who once walked past without interest now stopped and looked through the window. The same people who once doubted began to ask questions. How did this happen? They wondered. When did this become so successful? But nothing magical had happened overnight. The success that people suddenly noticed was built quietly over many years. The long mornings, the silent struggles, the rejected pieces. They were invisible to everyone else, but they were the real foundation. As more recognition arrived, the town's attitude changed. Invitations to events started coming. Local newspapers mentioned the workshop. People spoke proudly about having such talent in their town. It was as if the story had always been supported, even though it had once been ignored. This is the harsh truth about success. People often do not care about effort. They care about results. They do not clap during the struggle. They clap at the finish line. The long nights, the lonely mornings, the sacrifices, these are rarely seen. The workshop became larger. More tools were added. The faded blue door was repainted, but inside the routine remained the same. The lights still turned on before sunrise. The discipline did not change just because attention increased. With success came new challenges. Expectations grew higher. Critics appeared. Some people claimed the success was luck. Others said it was easy now. Very few remembered the years when nobody cared at all. That is another truth. When you win, people rewrite the story. They forget the struggle. They focus only on the final chapter. They talk about talent, but they ignore consistency. They admire confidence, but they forget doubt. In the early years, quitting would have been understandable. There was no applause. There were no guarantees. The path looked empty and uncertain. But persistence does not depend on applause. It depends on belief. Belief is quiet. It does not shout. It does not demand attention. It simply shows up every day, even when nobody is watching. In that small workshop, belief was stronger than public opinion. There is something powerful about being underestimated. When nobody expects anything from you, you are free to grow without pressure. The silence becomes your training ground. The doubt from others becomes fuel. Many people give up too soon because they want immediate recognition. They want proof that their effort matters. But sometimes the proof comes much later. Sometimes the world is slow to notice. Success is rarely sudden. It looks sudden from the outside, but inside it is built slowly. It is built through repetition, through failure, through improvement, through moments of wanting to stop but choosing to continue. As the workshop gained international attention, visitors came from far away. They were impressed by the craftsmanship. They asked about the secret. They expected a dramatic answer, but the secret was simple. Years of unnoticed work. There were no shortcuts. There were no lucky accidents. There was only daily effort, repeated again and again. The same routine that once looked boring became the reason for excellence. This story is not just about a workshop. It is about every dream that starts small. It is about every goal that feels invisible at first. It is about the period when nobody cares. That period is important. It tests commitment. It asks difficult questions. Will you continue if nobody supports you? Will you work hard even without praise? Will you believe in your vision when others doubt it? The answers to these questions shape the future. If the answer is yes, then progress begins. Slowly, quietly, step by step. When success finally arrives, it may look glamorous. But those who understand the journey know the truth. They know that the real victory happened during the lonely years. The workshop's story spread across the country. Awards were given, interviews were recorded, photographs were taken. The faded blue door, once ignored, became a symbol of perseverance. Yet the most important part of the story remained hidden. The mornings before sunrise, the days when nothing sold, the moments of doubt. These were not printed in newspapers, but they mattered the most. There is a lesson here for anyone learning, building, or dreaming. Do not measure your progress by attention. Measure it by improvement. Attention is unpredictable. Improvement is within your control. Nobody cares until you win. That statement may sound painful, but it is also freeing. It means you do not need permission to start. You do not need applause to continue. When nobody is watching, you can experiment. You can fail privately. You can grow without pressure. Those quiet years are not wasted. They are preparation. Imagine if the workshop had closed during the early years of silence. Imagine if the criticism had won. The later success would never have happened. The world would have lost something valuable. The same is true for many dreams. The difference between success and failure is often endurance, not intelligence, not talent. Endurance. Endurance means continuing when motivation disappears. It means working even when the results are invisible. It means trusting the process. In the end, the town changed. It became more open to new ideas. The success of one workshop inspired others to try different paths. What once seemed impossible became possible. And it all started with a simple decision: to keep going when nobody cared. So, if you feel unnoticed right now, remember this story. The silence you experience today may become the foundation of tomorrow's success. The doubt you hear may strengthen your determination. One day, people may ask, "How did this happen?" They may see only the victory, but you will know the truth. You will remember the quiet mornings, the invisible effort, the persistence. Success is not built in public, it is built in private. It grows in the dark before it shines in the light. Nobody cares until you win. But you must care long before you win. And that is the harsh truth and the beautiful opportunity about success.